Good morning. Thank you for tuning in. I'm going to be harvesting some of the babies off of this Graptivaria that I got about a month ago. I like to use manicure scissors to snip the baby plant, the baby succulent, off at the base near the mother plant. So this seems to work out nicely. Now I'm not taking all of the babies off of these plants, and I'll show you why now. I left several babies on the mother plant because I just can't get to them. So if you will look underneath this leaf is a compacted baby succulent. I won't want to snip him off until his stem is elongated out a bit. I just can't get to them. Another reason I don't take some of the offshoots is they're just not ready. There's a little baby under that leaf. There's another baby right there. They're just not big enough, strong enough to be clipped off yet. So even though this plant doesn't look that healthy, it's very healthy because it's already giving off shoots and babies. Look how prolific the Graptivaria are. I had pulled these leaves off, and now the baby succulents are propagating off the leaves so easily. Now back to the babies that I snipped off the mother plant. What you want to do is set them aside for 2 to 3 days and let the stems callus over. Now look at these cups. I bought these $125 for less than $3 from Smart & Final. So if you're going to be propagating lots and lots of new babies, you need to find a source for these little mini cups. I use an X-Acto knife and I puncture the bottom of the cup in 2 places to make sure that water drains out effectively. Be careful with that X-Acto knife. Let's talk about soil. I start with a cactus mix and I like to moisten it. If you do that, it avoids a huge mess when you're pouring water into fresh soil for the first time if the soil is dry. So fill your cups up, and then with a tweezer you want to indent a small little space, a little hole, and gently push the baby succulent into the soil. Okay, and then once you've done that, you don't want to water these until this first watering dries out, so wait for about a week. But please remember that your baby succulents need to be watered almost every day after that first drying. I use the taller cups for these succulents I was able to snip off and include that elongated stem. Some of the stems were about an inch long. All right, well, that's it. Now my next video, watch how I work with these Echeveria.